Hello. Today I'm going to show you a nice comparison video about two devices. One is the Samsung Galaxy S22 that comes from the year 2022. Woohoo! And on the other side, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This comes out the year 2026. You can see, maybe it is worth upgrading, or you should get the Galaxy S22 already. Today we are comparing two Samsung smartphones that are 4 generations apart, the 22 and the 26 Ultra. Is the Galaxy Ultra worth of the upgrade? Or does the Galaxy 22 still hold it up in 2026? We will compare the design, the display, performance, camera, battery life, software, AI features, and overall value for money. Let's get it, yeah. Okay, let's start with the design and the build quality. The Galaxy S22 features a compact 6.1 inches form factor and weighs only around 167 grams. It's easy to use in one hand and comfortably fits into almost any pocket. The Galaxy S26 Ultra takes a complete different approach, of course. With its large 6.9 inches display, the integrated S Pen, the premium materials, and the refined design, it's built for productivity and power users. Despite the larger size, it is slimmer than previous Ultra models while maintaining a premium feel. So, we have two winners. One winner is the Galaxy S22 for compactness and affordability. And the other one is, of course, the 26 for premium design and productivity as well. Let's go to the display. This where the 4 years of innovation become, of course, obvious. The Galaxy S22 6.1 inches dynamic AMOLED 2 times, Full HD+, 120 hard refresh rate, and HDR10 support. That's good. The Galaxy S26, comes with 6.9 inches dynamic AMOLED display, QHD Plus resolution, adaptive refresh rate, significantly higher peak brightness, improved outer visibility, better color accuracy, advanced display features, and a multimedia and gaming performance. Watching movies, editing photos, browsing, or gaming simply feels more immersive on the S26 Ultra. Okay? Then the performance. Inside the Galaxy S22, you will find either the Exynos 2200 or the Snapdragon 8 Generation 1, depending on your region. And even today, it handles everyday tasks very well. However, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is powered by Samsung's latest flagship chipset, delivers a major improvement across the board. It's a Snapdragon as well, but Generation 5. We have faster CPU performance, much stronger graphic performance, advanced Galaxy AI performance in processing, better power efficiency, cooler temperature during gaming, and faster app launches, smoother multitasking as well. If you're a gamer, a content creator, or a power user, you will notice this difference immediately if you use the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's go to camera. The camera system is a big thing in every smartphone as you need it. If you do not need it, you can stay at the S22 as well. The Galaxy S22 comes included the 50 megapixel main camera at good. Ultra wide camera, 3 times telephoto camera, up to 8K video recording is possible. Even in 2026, it is still capture excellent photos in good lighting. But the Galaxy S26 Ultra, however, pushed the smartphone photography much further. 200 megapixel flagship main camera, improved the ultra-wide sensor, more powerful zoom cameras, better low-light photography, faster image processing, enhanced AI photo editing, higher quality video recording, better stabilization, superior portrait photography, night photography, zoom shots, and video quality are noticeable better in there. So the winner is the Galaxy S26, of course. But battery and charging maybe. The Galaxy S22 comes with a 3,700 mAh battery. For moderate users, it can last a full day, but heavy users need to recharge before evening. The Galaxy S26 Ultra features 5000 mAh battery, more efficient processor, longer battery life, faster charging, improved thermal management, and a better standby performance. If battery life matters, the Ultra is the clear winner. Let's go to software and Galaxy Artificial Intelligence. Yeah, while the Samsung has provided several major updates, the device is approaching the end of the software support lifecycle. The S26 launches with Android 16, One UI 8.5, and the latest Galaxy AI features, advanced productivity tools, live translation, AI writing assistance, AI photo editing, and long-term software support. So if you want the newest features and years of updates ahead, I think it is 7 years. The S26 Ultra is the better investment, of course. Which phone goes to everyday experience for you? Choose the Galaxy S22 if you prefer compact phones. Mainly use social media, browse the web, watch videos, take casual photos, and want to save money because it's much cheaper. But choose the S26 Ultra if you create content, shoot professional-looking photos and videos, play demanding games, use Galaxy AI features, need maximum productivity, want the best Samsung experience available, of course. The Galaxy S22 has become much more affordable over the years. For everyday use, it still delivers excellent value. But the Galaxy Ultra costs significantly more. But it also offers a major improvement in nearly every category as well. Better display, faster performance, much stronger camera, long battery life, more AI features, longer software support, S-Pen functionality. So if you plan to keep your phone for several years, the investment makes sense. So, should you upgrade from the S22 to the S26 Ultra? Yes, if you want a dramatically better camera system, a longer battery life, the latest Galaxy AI features, flagship level performance, a much larger display, and an S-Pen functionality, years of future software updates, then you go to this update. But you can stick with the Galaxy S22 if you have one, and you're happy with the performance. You prefer a compact smartphone. You don't need the newest AI features and you want to save money. Overall, upgrading from the Galaxy 22 to the S26 Ultra is one of the biggest leaps Samsung users can make. Would you upgrade from the Galaxy S22 or stay? Or would you keep your current phone a little bit longer? Tell me please in the comments and we can conversate about that. Thanks for watching and please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel. Then.